In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome changing the search engine. So let's say that you're always using Google Chrome, but then out of nowhere it switches to Yahoo or Firefox. Then I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So you want to open Google Chrome and you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you'll see this drop down menu where you can click on settings right there. Now this should bring you over to the settings page where you can then at the left side of this menu see search engine. Click on search engine and then right there you'll see search engine used in the address bar. So for me it says Google because it did not change yet, but if it changes it will go to one of these or it will say secure search, and you simply want to go back and click on Google right there, and then you also want to click on manage search engines. You want to click on it and then you want to delete all of these. So you want to click on remove from list. Right there, we're going to delete Yahoo and Bing. There you go. And you can delete all of these search engines. Now you also have these search engines, and these are on websites such as Social Blade or SoundCloud or YouTube. Now these are not as annoying or dangerous as the other ones, so make sure you delete the ones that are on their default search engines, and then you should be fine. But that's pretty much how you can do this. If this video helps you out, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.